Constructing a large-scale transformer station such as the 3000 kVA, 22/0.4 kV is a significant project that necessitates meticulous planning, precision engineering, and substantial investment. This comprehensive guide aims to give prospective clients and partners a thorough understanding of the costs, procedures, timelines, and specifications involved in building a turnkey transformer station with QuangAnhcons, a leading contractor in Vietnam. With an unwavering commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, QuangAnhcons ensures that every aspect of the project meets the highest standards of reliability and efficiency. The total project is carefully categorized into different sections, reflecting a detailed construction estimate as follows. 22 kV transmission line, 14.71% of the total cost. Total cost, $20,565. Key materials, high-voltage poles, insulators, covered cables, and specific line accessories such as reclosers and power supply transformers. Labor, includes full package labor cost. Part substation 3000 kVA, 22/0.4 kV materials, 80.94% of the total cost. Total cost, $113,174. Components, high-voltage poles, composite crossarms, insulators, substation platform, grounding systems, cables, and various installation accessories. Labor cost calculated as a complete package. Other costs, 4.35% of the total cost. Total cost, $6,087. Expenses, include design and assessment, supervision, power cut connection fee, and commissioning test fees. Design and assessment costs. Supervision costs. Power cut connection fee. Commissioning test fee. Approval documentation for substation installation, completion. Construction machinery and material, equipment transport cost. Total costs. Without VAT, $139,826. VAT, 10% $13,983. With VAT, $153,809. Main work content. Documentation and planning, preparation of all required documentation, ensuring compliance with Vietnamese electrical standards. Installation and construction, full construction of the 3000 kVA substation, including advanced metering and switchboard installation. Timeline, total project preparation and construction are expected to take 60 days. Customers can discover a comprehensive list of materials, equipment, and their corresponding technical specifications for each aspect of the substation construction cost, detailed in the article attached to this video. Construction leadership by the contractor with documentation support from the investor. In the development of the transformer station, the contractor is tasked with overseeing all facets of the project, demonstrating expertise in compliance with electrical regulations and collaborative efforts with energy authorities. The investor simplifies their participation by supplying essential legal documentation, including land ownership certificates, necessary permits, and valid identification, each notarized and up-to-date. From the initial stages through to the finalization of the project, the contractor is dedicated to managing design, grid connection, and execution, all within a strategically scheduled 60-day timeline. This includes 45 days dedicated to preparation and 15 days of intensive construction. Financial stages in building a transformer station, coordination between contractor and investor. The payment structure for constructing a transformer station is divided into 3 distinct phases. The first payment occurs right after the contract is signed, providing the contractor with the funds necessary to begin the procurement and delivery of materials and equipment to the site. The second payment is made when the contractor notifies the investor of the delivery of the transformer, which then proceeds with its installation and initial operational steps. The final stage of the financial agreement culminates with the last payment, which is made once the transformer station is fully energized and all testing, undertaken jointly by the contractor and investor, has been successfully completed. Client support and warranty guarantee. After construction is completed, clients benefit from a 1-year warranty, which reinforces the dependability of the project and bolsters their trust in its operational functionality. Dedication to customer satisfaction and upholding high standards. Our commitment to maintaining high-quality standards and transparent pricing forms the foundation of our customer service promise. With extensive experience in building transformer stations, we ensure satisfaction in every project. Our expert team is ready around the clock to address any questions or provide necessary support. For tailored advice and a precise estimate on a 3000 kVA 22/0.4 kV transformer station, please reach out using the contact details we have shared. We are fully prepared to guide you through the planning and cost assessment phases and to help navigate all associated legal requirements for a seamless and effective construction project. Partner with us for tailored project solutions. Selecting QuangAnhcons to develop your 3000 kVA, 22/0.4 kV substation goes beyond a simple project decision. It represents a dedication to enhancing power efficiency, bolstering system reliability, and fostering economic growth. Our commitment to clear pricing, superior service, and technical expertise ensures that collaborating with us will pave the way for outstanding advancements in the energy sector. Engaging QuangAnhcons means dedicating to a 3000 kVA, 22/0.4 kV transformer project that is not just efficient but also economically advantageous. For further guidance, please reach out to us through our hotline at +84 9 1975 8191. Please note, all provided figures are estimations and may vary based on site conditions and market variables. Our direct communication channels are open for real-time updates and custom solutions.